We only did the top of page 79, section 1, but now we're going to do section 2 and 3 on page 79, and then we'll do page 80, word list number 1 and 2 for chapter 8. Okay? So it's called Quel est le mot? What is the word? Based on vocab list number 1. Okay, write another word or expression for each phrase below. Okay, Jordan, un vol qui arrive de Paris.
Uh, you want me to say that and what I wrote?
You can just tell me what you wrote. Tell me what the answer is.
En vol en provenance de Paris.
Good job. Provenance de Paris. Good. And then Erica, un vol qui va à Paris.
Un vol qui arrive de Paris.
Good. Arrives from Paris. Good. Luke number 3, un vol qui commence et finit dans le même pays. Actually, translate that one first. Sounds a little trickier. And then tell me what you got, Luke. Uh-oh, I don't hear you again. Oh, this time you're muted though, I think. Can you? Still can't hear you. Turn your volume way up. It says you unmuted yourself. You might just need to turn your volume up a little bit. Emily, you want to do number 3? Un vol qui commence et finit dans le même pays. You could translate and tell me what that's called.
A flight who starts and finishes in the same country.
Yeah, the word même is same if it's got that accent over it. And what did you call that, Emily?
Un vol intérieur.
Un vol intérieur, an inside or interior flight, interior to the country, in other words. Okay, and then Rebecca, un vol qui commence dans un pays et finit dans un autre pays. What does that mean? What's the answer for that one?
This is 79, right?
Page 79, section 2, number 4.
I don't think you sent me the picture for 79.
Yeah, I sent you 79 and 80. Luke, unmute and let me try hearing you again. Just turn your volume up a little bit. Try it again. Now say something. Huh. You know what? Every time you talk, it looks like it unmutes it mutes by itself. Try it one more time. So now yeah, you're unmuted. Oh well. We'll skip you for the answers. You can just listen in. So Rebecca, section 2, number 4, un vol qui commence dans un pays et finit dans un autre pays.
Vol international.
Vol international. Good. All right, now give personal answers. Section 3 is called moi, which means me. Okay, Jordan, tu prends souvent l'avion?
Je prends l'avion quelquefois.
Quelquefois, sometimes.
Okay.
Good. Erica, tu fais enregistre tes bagages ou tu prends tout avec toi?
Je fais enregistrer le bagage.
A bagage, good. You check them. Called it registering them, but it's what they call for when you check your bag. Okay, Emily, tu préfères une place côté couloir ou côté fenêtre?
Je préfère une place côte fenêtre.
Côté fenêtre.
Côté fenêtre.
La I accent aigu says A. Moi aussi, je veux voir tout de la fenêtre. I like to see everything from the window. All right, awesome. Turn to page 80, word list number 2. Mot de vocabulaire, it's called abord. Okay, Rebecca, number 1, for the chair, what do they call the chair?
Un siège.
Or siège, bon. And then Jordan, number 2.
Los this.
L'hôtesse de l'air.
Okay, l'hôtesse de l'air.
Good. And then Erica, toi.
Ah,
Number
coffre à bagages.
un coffre à bagages. Bon. Emily, 4.
Un ceinture de sécurité.
Un ceinture de sécurité. Bon. Rebecca, 5.
Euh, euh,
Number 5.
I don't know that one.
Un steward. Un steward. Steward. That's what they call like a guy who is a guy on the airplane. I can't think of their name in English now.
Is
Okay.
it the one that scans your tickets?
Well, and they also bring you food and stuff.
Oh, okay.
We call them stewardesses and stewards, I guess. I think that's what we call them. Okay, Jordan, number 6.
Le repas.
Un repas, a meal. Good. There's no way you get that kind of a meal anymore. International flights you do, but not domestic. Interior, they do not. Okay, number 5, vrai ou faux. Indicate whether each statement is true, vrai ou false, faux. Okay, Erica, avant de monter en avion, on passe par la sécurité, le contrôle de sécurité.
Vrai?
Okay, good. Emily, on serve un repas pendant un vol transatlantique.
Roll.
Um,
Right. No.
that's a vrai, you're right, that's vrai.
Yeah.
Transatlantic would be like over the ocean.
Yeah. I just.
That's right. Okay, Rebecca, on ramasse les plateaux après le repas. Are you there, Rebecca? Might be going in already. Jordan, on ramasse les plateaux après le repas.
Vrai.
Good. One gathers the trays after the meal. That's true. Erica, le pilote, le pilote serve les repas.
Oh.
I'll do that. The pilot does not need to serve the meal. Okay, and then Emily, il faut mettre ses bagages dans le couloir.
Faux.
What does that mean, that sentence?
One
It's necessary.
one is necessary. It's necessary to put his or her baggages in the
Aisle.
aisle. Okay. Yeah.
Could be a huge trip hazard and safety issue. So that's faux. Good. Okay, number 6. This shows all the different. Oh no, you know what? We didn't do these verbs yet. Let's see. Did you guys try to do number 6? You did? Okay, good. So these are new verbs called IR verbs. They're conjugated differently, but they're regular. The only other regular verb you guys have learned are ER verbs, and there's thousands of them, and there's thousands of IR. Some of these are IR and some of these are ER verbs. And you're going to learn the conjugation of those. Okay, so you're going to, yeah, I guess you've learned at least the meaning of some of these. So, Jordan, something in place côté couloir. Verb would you use?
Chaussure.
Côté
Place. Couloir.
couloir. Good. You choose your place next to the aisle. Choisir means to choose. Erica, number 2.
Passer par le contrôle de sécurité.
Good. That is an ER verb, to pass by or through the control of security. Emily, number 3.
Sortir les bagages du coffre.
Good. To take out your bag from the overhead compartment. Rebecca's camera's off, so I guess she's going inside. So, Jordan, number 4. Something in carte de débarquement.
Remplir un carte de débarquement.
Good. That means to fill out fill out your debarkment card. And then Erica, 6.
Sevilla.
Sevilla on repas, bon. And then number 7, Emily.
Enregister sa signature de sécurité. No.
All right, that's no. What would you do to a,
Attaché.
good job, attaché.
Yeah, I think I was thinking of the card that you're supposed to fill out.
That was remplir. Oh, you know what? I messed you up because I skipped number 5 accidentally, I think. Enregistre is number 5, to register your bags. That means to check them and fill out the form for them. And then
Yeah.
attaché is number 7.
Yeah.
Attach it. Good job. All right, now help me remember where we finished in our textbook, guys. I know it was around 260. Did we,
Yeah, it was
did we do,
266.
did we do all of 266?
No.
Okay. Which one are we on?
Did we do number 5?
I think
I
we
don't remember.
said number 7.
Anybody else want to check in with what they remember doing last week? I don't know if we did the opposite things on number 6, the antonyms.
I
No.
don't think so. And last week we just watched the movie and did our homework.
Yeah, we were pretty short in time. All right, let's look at page 266. It says à bord l'avion. Okay. Inviter une histoire. Make up a story. So Jordan, les passengers sont à bord.
Oui, les passagers sont à bord.
Très bien. Erica, le personnel de bord fait des annonces.
Le personnel de bord fait des annonces.
Oh. Emily, il faut attacher son ceinture de sécurité avant le décollage.
Oui, il faut attacher sa signature de sécurité avant le décollage.
You got all the hard words. Good job. Okay, Rebecca, il faut mettre ses bagages en main sur le siège.
Oui, il faut mettre ses bagages à main sous le siège.
So it's bagage en main, bagage en main.
Bagages à main sous
Good.
le siège.
Good job. Okay, Jordan, on peut mettre des bagages dans le coffre à bagages.
What does pool mean again?
To be able, so one can put your handbags in the overhead compartment.
Okay. Oui, on peut mettre des bagages dans le coffre à bagages.
A bagage, bagage.
Okay, bagage.
Okay. Bagage. My nose is starting to run again. Okay, Erica. Oh, I just lost my place. Okay. Après le décollage, on sert le dîner.
What does décollage mean?
Take off.
Okay. Oui. Après le décollage, on sert le dîner.
Oh. Emily, qui sert le dîner, le steward ou le pilote?
Le steward sur le dîner.
Oh. Rebecca, on peut fumer pendant le vol. This is a really old book, so that's definitely a no-no. That's asking if you can smoke. So fumer means to smoke. Rebecca, so you can say no for that one.
Sorry, my thing was glitching because of the rain or something. What question are we on?
You are doing the last one, number 8. On peut fumer pendant le vol?
Non. Non. On ne peut fumer pas.
So you would say
Pendant le
no, on ne peut pas. On ne peut pas fumer pendant le vol.
Oui. Donc, on ne peut pas comer pendant le vol.
Oh. Okay, now number 6, antonym. These are antonyms. So it's basically the opposite-ish as far as vocab goes, okay? Trouver le contraire. Find the contrary one. Okay, Jordan. Atterrir. Do you remember what that one means?
Select.
Good. What's the opposite?
Uh,
One for take off.
Décoller.
Décoller, good. Décoller is to take off. Okay, l'embarquement.
L'embarquement, le débarquement.
Débarquement. To get on and to get off. Okay, Emily. En Provence, I'm sorry, une hôtesse de l'air.
E on steward.
Good job. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's getting worse. Okay. Rebecca. En Provence de.
Le débarquement.
No, that's destination de. Okay, number B.
Okay.
Okay. Jordan, on vol intérieur.
En vol international.
Look at that. I gotta get some water. I have a cold. You guys are my second class. I'm talking a lot. Okay. Hey, Erica, embarquement.
Embarque,
Number 6.
Ah.
Embarquement.
décoller.
No, that would be débarquement. Débarquement. Débarquer, I mean, débarquer. To get on and to get off. Okay? Okay, Emily, l'arrivée.
I le départ.
Home. Rebecca, sortir.
Metro.
I'm sorry, what? Metro, yeah. Good. Jordan, le décollage.
L'atterrissage.
Atterrissage. Atterrissage. That's how they say landing.
Oh, okay, okay.
Atterrissage. That's a hard one. Okay, good. Number 7. Very equal. I'm going to have you guys read these because my voice is giving out. So, Erica, you can read and you can say braveful. Number 1.
Il faut passer par le contrôle de sécurité avant le vol. What does vol F-A-U-T mean?
It is necessary. It is necessary. Right. Emily, number 2.
On peut laisser ses bagages à main dans le coulier pendant le vol. And it's faux.
Okay, Rebecca, number 3.
Il faut attacher sa ceinture de sécurité avant le décollage et l'atterrissage.
Oh, braveful. That one's Ray. You got to put your seatbelt on. for sure. Jordan, number 4.
Il faut faire ses valises après le vol.
Mhm.
What does valise mean? Suitcase?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Four?
Correct, because après is after. You're not going to pack your bag after. You'll unpack it, but not pack it. Good job.
Thank you.
Erica, number 5.
Le test est où le steward amasse le plateau après le repas. Ray?
Oh, Emily Cease.
Oh, les piolets servent un repas et des boissons pendant le vol. Faux.
Oh, not the Piole. Okay, then Rebecca, number 7.
Le hôtel de l'air fait annonce. Vrai.
Very bon. Number 8. Jordan.
Les steward door pendant le vol. What does door mean?
Sleep.
Okay. Vrai?
They're not allowed to. They're in
Oh,
charge. They're working, so they're not allowed to sleep. Okay, Erica, 9.
Il faut remplir sa carte débarquement. Faux?
Well, figure out what that means. It's actually true, so you gotta figure out what that means.
He must.
It is necessary.
It is necessary to
That means to fill out.
fill out the ticket.
The debarkment card.
The debarkment.
Yeah. So that's what you have to fill out, like if you're bringing something into the country. You have to fill it out. All right, good. So look at page 267. The arrivée means arrival. Well, it has the translation right there. And that's just telling different flights and what's going on. Let's go ahead over to the IR verbs because it's super important, this conjugation. Page 268. A second group of regular verbs in French has infinitives that end in IR. Verbs like finir, to finish, choisir, to choose, are regular IR verbs. They have 2 different stems, one for the singular and one for the plural. Study the following. So this is different than ER verbs. The stem for the first 3 pronouns is just fin or chois, okay? And then the endings are is, it. And then for nous, vous, and il, it's FINISS, and then the endings are ONS, EZENT. So look how long these words get, guys, especially for choisissant, choisissez, choisis. I'll read these and you guys repeat, okay? Je finis.
J'ai fini.
Fini.
You'll notice the S's and the T's are silent. Tu finis.
Two feet.
Fini.
J'ai fini.
Elles ont fini.
Il
Il
fini.
fini.
Nous finissons.
Nous
Nous finissons.
Vous finissez.
vous finissez.
Nous finissons.
Ils finissent.
Il
You
finit.
finish.
Je choisis.
Je choisis.
Tu choisis.
Tu
Tu
choisis.
Elles ont choisi.
Il
Il
choisit.
Nous choisissons.
Nous choisissons.
1, 2, 3, 4 S's in that word. That's crazy. Vous choisissez.
Vous
Choisissez.
Ils, elles choisissent.
Ils choisissent.
I heard Jordan. Ils, elles choisissent.
Il, elle
Il,
choisit.
elle choisit.
Other verbs that belong to this group are atterrir. Everybody, atterrir.
Atterrir.
To land. And remplir.
Remplir.
To fill out. Ils remplissent une carte de débarquement.
Ils remplissent une carte de débarquement.
Hey, Rebecca, I can't hear you. Make sure I'm hearing you. L'avion atterrit à l'heure.
L'avion atterrit à l'heure.
Okay, comment dit-on? Il s'arrête. On va au Paris. Répondez d'après les indications. So respond according to the indications, which means the answers that are in the parentheses. So, Jordan, Madame Lozier choisit quelle compagnie?
Madame Lozier choisit Compagnie Air France.
Good job. That's still an airline. I took it to France last year. Okay, Erica, elle choisit quelle classe?
Elle choisit la classe économique.
Good job, économique. Emily, elle choisit une place côté couloir ou côté fenêtre?
Elle choisit une place côté fenêtre.
So remember, guys, fenêtre means window and couloir means aisle. It also can mean hallway. Okay, Rebecca, elle finit tout son repas.
Non, elle ne finit pas tout son repas.
Didn't finish all of it. Good. Jordan, son avion atterrit à quelle heure?
Oh, number 5.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Son avion atterrit à midi.
Oh. Erica, il atterrit à quel aéroport?
Son avion atterrit à midi.
Jordan did that one. You're on number 6.
Il atterrit à Charles de Gaulle.
Charles de Gaulle. He was the president we saw in chapter 1. And the biggest airport is named after him. Okay, Emily, qu'est-ce qu'elle remplit avant d'arriver?
Elle remplit une carte de débarquement avant l'arrivée.
Good job. You even see one that's being filled out there. Right, number 11, next page. Au restaurant, donnez des réponses personnelles. Give personal answers. Okay, Rebecca? En général, tu choisis des restaurants chers ou pas chers? That's kind of funny. Cher means expensive.
En général, je choisis des restaurants pas chers.
Pas cher, moi aussi. Okay, Jordan, tu choisis la spécialité de la maison. Do you choose the specialty of the house?
J'ai choisi la
Spécialité, because that accent over the E at the end.
la spécialité de la maison.
Oh, c'est the best thing. Okay, Erica, tu choisis de la viande ou du poisson?
J'ai choisi de la viande.
La viande, moi aussi. Emily, tu finis ton repas par un dessert ou deux fromages?
I didn't exactly get this one. It says you finish your meal by dessert or a cheese.
So yeah, in France, it's weird, but they serve cheese as a dessert sometimes.
Oh,
It's weird, I know.
Ok. Tu- oh, je finis mon repas par un dessert.
Moi aussi. Bon. Ok, Rebecca, tu choisis un gâteau ou une glace?
J'ai choisi en glace.
Bon. Jordan, tu finis toujours tout sur ton assiette?
What does assiette mean?
Plate. Do you always finish everything on your plate?
I would say non, je n'ai fini
Ah,
or je n'ai fini pas toujours tout sur mon assiette.
bon. Très bien. Ok. 12. Un bon dîner. Mettez au pluriel d'après le modèle. A good dinner. Put into plural according to the model. So the girl says, je choisis du bœuf et tu choisis du poisson. And then they say, nous choisissons du bœuf et vous choisissez du poisson. So I'll be the girl where I say, I do this and you do that. And then you guys are going to use the nous and the vous conjugations. Okay. Erica, je choisis un petit restaurant et tu choisis un restaurant gastronomique.
Gastronomie.
But that means a gourmet restaurant.
Nous choisissons un petit restaurant et vous choisissez un restaurant gastronomique.
Very good. Emily, je choisis un steak bien cuit et tu choisis un steak à point.
Nous choisissons un steak bien cuit et vous choisissez un steak à point.
Good. And then Rebecca, je remplis mon assiette et tu remplis ton assiette.
Nous remplissons notre assiette et vous remplissez votre assiette.
Notre assiette, votre assiette. Okay.
Votre assiette.
Jordan, je finis mon repas par une tarte et tu finis ton repas par des crêpes Suzette.
J'ai fini.
Actually, you're going to do nous finissons and vous finissons, like the guy. Hello.
Nous finissons mon repas pour.
It'll be notre, nous finissons notre, and then vous finissez votre, notre and votre.
Ok. Nous finissons notre repas par une sorte et vous finissez votre repas par des crêpes Suzette.
Okay, good. Okay, Erica, je finis mon repas par une crème et tu finis ton repas par un express.
What is express?
What, sweetie?
An express.
That's an espresso. So un crème would be coffee with cream and express is an espresso.
Nous finissons.
Nous finissons.
Nous finissons. Nous repas par une crème Et vous finissez ton repas.
Okay, you're breaking up a little bit, but I think you got it. Good. The next section is un autre vol, another flight. Compléter avec choisir ou remplir, to choose or to fill out based on the context. Okay, Emily, number 1.
Le passager choisissent un vol Air France.
Choisissons. Look, can I hear the conjugation again?
Choisissons.
No, it's the ENT silent, so it's choisis.
Choisis.
You hear the S's, but not the ENT. Okay, Rebecca, number 2.
Ils choisissent une place côté fenêtre ou côté fenêtre.
Good. Then Jordan, number 3.
Ils choisissent les poulets ou les poissons pour les dîners à vous.
Good.
Oh, and I gotta run to the bathroom.
Okay, go ahead. Then Erica, number 4.
Ils remplissent.
So the ENT silent, ils remplissent.
Ils remplissent le carte de débarquement pendant le vol.
During the flight, they fill it out. Okay, awesome. Prenez la page. Oh, we're introducing something else. Okay, does anybody remember what the word quel means? Quel, yes, Erica?
Does it mean which?
Job, which, and then how about two? What's that mean, Erica? Two.
All?
All, good. So you've had two for all and you've had quel for which, but they're showing you that there can be masculine and feminine forms of saying it depending on what they're talking about, and there can be singular and plural forms. Okay, so I'll read these and you guys all repeat. Okay, quel vol.
Quel vol.
The tricky thing is they're spelled the same. I'm sorry, they sound the same, but they're spelled differently. Okay, quelle compagnie.
Quelle compagnie.
Quel avion.
Quel avion.
Quel avion.
Quelle hôtesse.
Quelle hôtesse.
Okay, now going to two. You use two with the definite articles le, la, and l apostrophe, meaning the whole or the entire. You use tous and tout with les to express all. Oops, never mind. I got to do the plural first. Quel vol.
Quel vol.
Quel vol.
Quel avion. I'm sorry, quels avions. Quels avions.
Quel avion.
Quelle compagnie.
Quelle compagnie.
Quelles hôtesses.
Quelle hôtesse.
Okay, good. Now we'll go to two. Tout le personnel, no T sound. Tout le personnel.
Tout le personnel.
Okay, for feminine, you hear the T. Toute la compagnie.
Toute la compagnie.
All of the company. Tous les stewards.
Tous les
stewards.
Toutes les stewards. Toutes les hôtesses.
Toutes les hôtesses.
Yeah. All of the hostesses. Toute la classe fait le voyage.
Toute la classe.
Toute la classe fait le voyage.
Tous les élèves prennent le même vol.
Tous les élèves prennent le même vol.
All the students take the same flight. Il y a un vol tous les jours.
Il y a un vol tous les jours.
There's a flight all the days, or that's how they say every day, okay? They would say tous les jours, like all the days. Good, all right. Comment dit-on? Quel cours? Répondez d'après le modèle. Tu aimes quel cours? Moi, j'aime tous les cours. So I'll ask the question, and you guys are all going to answer. Moi, j'aime all of them. And the way you're going to say two is based on the gender and if it's singular or plural for the word two. Okay, Jordan, tu aimes quelle matière?
Oh, ok. Moi, j'aime uh,
Feminine, because you can see two L's and an E for quel, so that tells you that matière is feminine. So you can say, I love all the subjects.
ok. Moi, j'aime tout.
Toot,
Ok. Toutes les matières.
matière, matière.
Ok. Matières.
That's a weird word. That's for subject. Erica, tu aimes quelle langue?
Moi, j'aime tous les langues.
Les langues. Good. Emily, tu aimes quelle science?
Um, Moi, j'aime j'aime toute science,
Toutes les sciences.
toutes les sciences.
All the sciences. Okay. Then Rebecca, tu aimes quel livre?
Um, Moi, j'aime tous les livres.
Tous les livres, Tous, all the books.
Yeah, that's what I put.
Good. Mhm.
That's what I meant.
Good. I was just repeating so that everyone knew how it was spelled. Tous. Okay, Jordan. Number 5. Tu aimes quel CD?
Moi, j'aime tout, tous les CD.
Tous les CD. Good. I like all of them. Erica, tu aimes quel prof?
Moi, j'aime le prof.
Tous les profs. Bon. Emily, tu aimes quel... Oh, that's last one. Okay, quel vol? Complétez avec quel et puis répondez. Respond with which, and then respond. I'm not quite sure how you respond. We'll figure it out. Okay, Emily, tu fais un voyage?
Quel voyage?
Oh, I see. Yeah. The responding is which flight. So you can, what, in other words, for these, you guys can read this sentence. Just ask the question with Kel. Each of you guys just ask the question with Kel, okay? Okay, Rebecca, number 2.
So you want to say Cal in the beginning?
No, you'll just, where the blank is, it's going to be Kel. You're just going to tell me how Kel is spelled, so I know that you're spelling it right.
Quelle.
Good. So read the whole sentence using that.
Okay, this is question 2. Hold on. Ton avion part à quelle heure?
Quelle heure? Your flight leaves at what time? Okay, Jordan, number 3.
Ton avion part de would it be feminine?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Ton avion part de quel port?
Good. So how would that be spelled?
Quelle.
Good job. And Erica, number 4.
Dans le boat, tu vas regarder quel film
Good. And how you spell Kel?
kill you E-O.
Good, it's masculine. Okay, Emily, number 5.
Tu vas écouter quelle cassette?
Good. How you spell Kel?
Quell Quelle.
S.
Cass.
And then S. Quelles. Because cassettes is plural. So you see these modify for gender and number. And then Rebecca, 2M, number 6.
2M quel prof?
How's it spelled?
Quelles.
No, it's actually masculine, but plural. So how's that spelled? Masculine, plural.
Oh, Quels.
Yeah. Right, number 16. Tous les voiles pour quelle ville? All the flights for which city? Complétez avec tout. Okay, Jordan, number 1.
Uh,
I'll just go ahead and tell you if you don't know. For example, that one's feminine. The word
Okay.
place is feminine.
Toutes les places sont occupées.
Occupé, good. Erica, number 2.
Tous l'avion est classe économique. Il n'y a pas de première classe.
Good. Because there's no E on it, you don't really say the E, so it's two, but with a T at the end. You're right. But you just don't say the T because it doesn't have the E. Okay, Emily, number 3.
Toute la cabine est euphémius.
Good. Toute, feminine. Okay, number 4, Rebecca.
For paying dans le vol, tu vas regarder quel film?
No, we're on section 16, number 4. Gotta follow along.
C'est vrai, maintenant, tous les vols sont non fumera.
So, non familiar. And then how you spell 2?
TOUS.
Plural masculine. Right, one more. Dans l'avion. Complétez et puis répondez. Okay, Jordan, number 1. You'll use both to and quel for these.
Okay. Tous les personnels pour quelle langue?
Good. How do you spell both of them?
Tout.
Good. And then for quel?
Quel.
Feminine.
Oh, okay. Quelle.
S.
F?
Yep, because language is plural.
Oh, okay.
Personnel speaks which language? All the personnel speak which all the languages. Which languages? Okay, Erica, number 2.
Tous les joueurs se font quel poisson et quel repas?
Good. How you spell this?
TOUS.
Good.
QUEL.
That's actually feminine. Poisson is actually feminine.
QUELLE.
S. Drinks plural. Which drinks plural? and which meals, plural. And repas is masculine, so how do you spell Kel?
Quels.
Yeah, good. Okay, and then Emily, number 3.
Toutes les hostes, les hostes, me sa wana. Tous les hostes font quel anas,
And no. Good. How you spell those?
TOUTES,
Good.
QUELLES.
Good job. Okay, then Rebecca, number 4. Oh, Rebecca, are you there? Okay, Jordan, you want to do number 4? Oh, Rebecca, number 4.
Sorry, my thing glitched again. Number 4 for section 17.
Uh-huh.
Okay, tous les passagers font enregistrer quel bagage?
Good. How you spell both of those?
TOUS and then QUELS.
For plural, good. Okay, Jordan, the last one, number 5.
Tous les vols ont quelle destination?
Good. How you spell those?
I'm sorry, TOUS
Oh,
and is it QULES?
ELLE. It's plural. Destination is plural. I mean, I'm sorry, it's feminine.
Okay. QUELLE.
Right, guys, I don't feel like this is that hard. It's all the spelling that you just have to really watch out for. The little E's and the little L's and the little S's mean a lot. Okay, so you'll have pages 81 in the workbook, which is all the IR verbs that we just went over. And then you will have number 82, which is all about Cal and 2. Some students have gotten confused about number 10 before on page 82. It says, Celine et Aimé sortent. Our friends don't know what to wear. Complete each blank with the correct form of Cal, followed by the item of clothing shown in the illustration. Okay, so like the girl, Aimé, she's trying to figure out what number 1 is. So the question would be, quelle jupe plissée? Number 2 would be, quelle chemise manche longue? Number 3, quelle poule, and so forth. But you just have to spell those correctly, okay? And then number 11 is all going to be toot and tula, toot and TOUS. Okay? Anybody have any questions? Those 2 pages. We just have one more class, you guys. Isn't that crazy?